Hello, my name is KRussell and today is Sunday, 14 October 2018. The natural resource being focused on is water, and I am evaluating the Eklutna hydroelectric dam in south central Alaska. Alaska has a long history of harnessing the power from the river waters, which are an abundant natural resource in the state. With most of our energy coming from fossil fuels, the state is striving to pursue renewable energy alternatives to service such a large geographical footprint. The Alaska State Legislature adopted a renewable energy goal in 2010 of generating 50% of Alaska's electricity by 2025 from renewables, which is a very ambitious goal. With hydroelectric power, water becomes energy and can easily adapt to variation in demand. Currently, about 21% of generated electricity comes from hydropower, and 1% coming from the combined efforts of wind, solar, and geothermal. The state has dozens of current hydroelectric projects as well as new ones being evaluated. To be environmental stewards and demonstrate a commitment to the environment, hydropower production is an energy-efficient method, utilizing renewable energy for facilities and operations. The Eklutna hydroelectric dam is located just north of Anchorage along the Knik River and is currently jointly owned by the Municipal Light and Power and Matanuska Electric Association. The original hydroelectric facility was built in 1929 on the Eklutna River. After some change in ownerships, the city of Anchorage acquired the plant in 1943. The U.S. Bureau of Reclamation completed construction of the new upgraded facility, and the two new units were commissioned in 1955, generating upwards of 40 megawatts of electricity. A recent project in 2015 started the demolition of the original structure as it had been abandoned and impacting fish habitats and passage for decades. This current facility is currently the cheapest energy source connected to the rail belt energy grid. Anchorage receives 80% of its fresh water and 10 to 20% of electricity from the Eklutna Basin waters, which feed the dam. The Eklutna Lake Basin area is approximately 120 square miles in size and includes two watersheds providing water to the Eklutna Lake and glacier. Eklutna Lake has an active storage capacity of 138,000 acre-feet. However, due to warming trends, the Eklutna Glacier is rapidly melting. Glacier runoff has increased, reducing its overall mass slowly, but there is uncertainty in the future. The Eklutna waters make up approximately 80% of the waters produced and supplied to the Anchorage area. With the outlook unclear, a decrease in water could impact drinking water supplies and electricity generation from the most populous city in the state in the decades to come. Reducing the nation's energy consumption is not a perfect path. The only thing to count on is change. By adapting to new technologies and reevaluating management methods, objective and key targets can move the nation forward as it looks for sustainability and resiliency for the next generation. Water quality and conservation measures are key to water management. These are the references used for the presentation. Thank you for your time.